J'suis dans le texte. Ah ouais, ouais. Ah ouais, ouais.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Dante and welcome back to my channel.
You love me, are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, I want you.
So today guys, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how to get, you know, those two buns. I'm going to be basically showing you guys how I do it, you know, the edges too, because right now I'm suffering.
It's just amazing.
I'm going to be basically doing a hair tutorial on these. I can't even speak. I don't even know what I'm saying, like, bro. Okay, so basically, comment down below videos that you want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you want to. And make sure you follow my social media. It's going to be in the description box below. Get started. Social media is down below. Come stalk me or whatever. I'm gonna get to it. So if you guys didn't know, I actually had straight hair like for the past like week. As you can see, my hair is curly. To achieve those nice buns, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna do like a side parting because I have a weird hairline. You know, okay. I look really ugly today. I just put on makeup because I felt really ugly and I still feel ugly now. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna start off with bun. Cute, bro. Okay, this is the part. Okay, this is half of the part that I cut, you know, when I shaved it. Don't really use gel no more. So instead I use black castor oil, extra dark. Yeah, pour like that much. This is really thick, so I'm just gonna warm it up in my hand. Grab pieces. Okay, this I can't explain. Okay guys, I'm really bad at explaining, but hey ho girl. What I like to do is get my finger and separate like a little part here. So I'm gonna use it. So I'm just gonna pull out the edges, as you can see, like there. Okay. A hairband. My brush, and I'm just gonna brush it up. And I kind of put waves. Don't want the clearance over there. Put water on my toothbrush. You know, somewhere. Just get my
Stop. Get some help.
Cold. What we need now is some hair grit. I'm just gonna get it like this, and I'm gonna bring it here. Good. Pin and push it through. Bring it around again and pin it. Fluff it out. So here you want, you know, some strands to, you know, come out. Boom! That guys, I'm back. We're actually gonna do the edges. I mean, yeah, edges. I don't use gel, so that even means edges, no gel. Castor oil. I'm just gonna separate it. So I basically put castor oil. It's kind of gone. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. But basically, I put castor oil on there and I just put it on the toothbrush. Can't really explain what I'm doing at the moment because it's hard to explain. That's basically my edges done. A nice life hack, okay? So if you want defined curls, just wet it.
Boom. Shaka-laka-laka-laka boom.
So, look. Oh my. Really, bro?
She don't text.
Okay, that's it done. You feel me? Edges on fleek. Hair on fleek. Hope you like it. I mean, I didn't make it up because it's on Instagram. But my business. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I should be doing a Q&A soon, so send in your questions, boo. Guys, follow me down below. Like I said, it's gonna be in the description box. Comment what you want to see, like and subscribe. Okay.
Hey girl, bring it back,
Girl, would you like it? Girl, would you like it? Girl, would you like it?
Hey girl, bring it back,
Girl, would you like it?